9 Tango Charlie, 9 Tango Charlie, do you copy? 161 Division, 161 Division.
161, I just heard you come in there nice and loud. 161 Division, go ahead.
Yes, Roger, Roger, 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200, 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. Rapport for you 55, one moment 57, back to you.
Okay, my friend, good copy on you, 161 Division. You're 5x9 here into Ontario, Canada, QSS.
Yes, Roger, Roger. Rapport for you 59, very strong signal. One moment 555, one moment 59. Okay, my friend, back to you. Please repeat your number.
Very good, Division 161, the personal here is Steve. Sugar Tango Echo, Victor Echo, Steve, that's you. Go ahead.
Yes, Roger, Steve. My name is Lucas. Lucas, Lima Uniform Kilo Alpha Sierra, 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. My city from South Poland is Katowice. Katowice, Steve, is my city. Kilo Alpha Tango Oscar Whiskey India Charlie Echo. South Poland, Steve. Back to you.
Very good, very good. You're sounding nice signal in here into Southern Ontario. Thank you for your radio confirmation, and nice to make contact with you here today.
Okay. Thank you very much, Steve. Your number is 9 Tango Charlie, yes?
Yes, 9 Tango Charlie, number 101.
Yes, Roger. Thank you very much, Steve. 9 Tango Charlie 101. This is 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. Steve, thank you very much. Very good contact.
Okay, my friend. God bless you, sir. Take care. Have a great weekend. You too. Nice contact. Thank you so much.
7 and 3, Steve. Bye-bye.